Guys, we are in the Hazel model over here at Firethorn, Taylor Morris in Parrish, Florida. And this is a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome, about 1,200 square feet. No garage. You're going to have open parking here. So let's go take a look at it. Apparently my microphone stopped working, so we have to do a voiceover. Here is the open parking for the townhomes. Again, no garage or no covered shade there, so just be aware that it's going to be hot in your car when you get in. This is the Hazel model, and this is an end unit, so you're going to get extra light in this model. Here's the entranceway. Right when you walk in, they put the dining area, and then you've got the great room. And here's me pointing out the extra windows that are not going to be on every single model. This is just, again, the end unit. You have your half bath downstairs. And then here's a look at the kitchen. Again, you've got all the appliances do come with these townhomes. And you have your little lanai out there. This is a look at the pantry, which actually is a really nice size, I think. Here's the kitchen area, lots of cabinets, and a decent amount of counter space in the kitchen. We're gonna go on upstairs. All right, so upstairs we have our primary suite here, and in the primary suite you have a much larger closet than the other bedroom. So here's a look at the closet. And then we're gonna go over to the bathroom. Now in the bathroom, you're gonna have a double vanity in here, and this is a shower bathroom, no tub. It does have an extra closet for your bath towels, and I think that's the internet connection right there. There's a look at the shower. Now that's the washer and dryer right there, and the air handler. Here's the next bedroom. It's much smaller than the first bedroom. They have a tub shower combination, and then the closet in this one is a little bit smaller than the other. So that's a quick look at the Hazel model. If you guys have any questions, give us a call. It's Amy and Tom with Keys to the Coast Real Estate. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.